Okay. Alright. I come spend some time at mommy gonna market.
My mommy can't.
Want to play one game?
Yeah. What kind of game?
Hand game.
Twiddle leaf?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Come.
Come out, yes.
Okay, ready?
2 years. Yep. Oh, you get sweetie. You could carry one for me.
I have more in my bag.
Can I get one? Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, come.
Son, I thought you were still in a butt. Come.
Little from the cloud trees, slow,
Rocking on the
cheetah, all the day long, rocking and puffing and singing the song. All the little girls from Kim Street,
like the other rabbit go tweet, 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 like a rabbit. Like a rabbit. Mama in the kitchen, cooking rice and chicken. Father outside, playing domino. Mama upstairs, eating with the best. Cracking on the stairs, on the stairs, on the stairs, rocking rabbit. Rocking rabbit. Girl, yeah, nice man.
Yes. So what else you had to play there?
Well, okay, more technically.
How your mother there, cutie?
Mommy not there.
Alright.
Rasta.
Who the man live?
I Rasta man from up there, so. Everything you want, go tell my mother and niece with me.
I want him to pull in here.
Me? Well, I'll do that the Rasta man there, mad. You know what I mean?
Help you back again.
Leave from the cardboard.
You can't play to cutie. Cutie, me can't play to.
When?
Now come over there. Now come over there. Can't play to.
Come on, tell me yard. Come on, tell me yard. Come on. Not like him, you know. I eat that big boy from over this. So. I make me sweet draw. With this salsa. Not like him, you know. I eat that big boy from over this.
Alright, what about there down there? Good. Yo,
What go on?
where you going?
There, man, you good?
I'm good, man. You know say you say anything me see me fi tell you.
So what tell me what you see now?
Me see Chucky father run in your yard with a woman in a bed, and me look through it also with me two eye them me look through it also, and me see them a go so, and me see them a do like head and tail and something, and me never stay too long.
What you say to me?
Me never stay too long.
Where you say? You
Yeah.
peep through
Give me-
fence and see them a do what? I go up and what?
The hole through the house, remember say hole or leak, but give me some money, make me tell you more. I'm telling you, and him alone.
More I know, you know.
And him alone, me see around there.
Hold on. Because you have to tell me what really I go on. Hold it.
This a the first one. This a the
So
first.
much thing that go on.
The first story, I'm tell you,
Hold it, sir.
I tell you say, I want next one next day, in the other day, or if the day before that, yesterday, today, me did see him round there again.
Hold on,
And
man.
eat
Hold on,
food.
man. Hold on, man. Who him again, you say?
Chucky father.
You sure I am?
Yes, Chucky father.
Don't tell him, say, tell me. You know.
Alright. Alright.
A good boy.
Yeah, man, I'll go over me. Me can't play by myself. Me can't play by myself. Need a
What is that in that dirt? Dirt boy. Get dirt. Ugly like.
You have money? Want shop up there so you know you can buy one.
I got better city. You want one more? Alright, it's so full. Red man are sleeping up and daddy let this food share.
So we share?
Off.
Like you're talking. You think like what?
Oh, what that you give me?
Well, I know this witness is weird. Remember, I say you're small, this one. That's all I know.
Me no want that, come. That too little bit, you have to give me some for you. No.
Sis, stop right there, man.
No.
You done this up.
No, you take too much, else me will tell.
Let's see that. Bula, wait. Remember Bula?
Me peace.
Yeah, look for this one, you know, so you have to. Sis?
That unfair. Me peace. How you think you get that? That's all good for Niam. What is?
Just eat that, no? When
Me
you
no
done.
want this, come.
Just eat that.
Me go tell. Come.
Behave, no? Behave.
Me go tell.
Behave.
Me go tell if you don't give me no.
Go back here one more time. Me bite you. Eat. No, me are the oldest one. Eat.
That too little bit, me don't want you.
Well, sit down there. Eat now.
No, no, I can't something I do. This. Me say me tell for you. That's all good for Niam. If you choke and dead. This man. Oh God, give me a piece more. Me nah lick your back. Dead if you dead, man. Give me a piece now like come here to your life.
I mean, yeah, I don't know what that's.
Come.
Can't believe it. Me like pull on it and show up.
Give me, if me go tell for you. Try to just say give me.
Look at me share one chick. More than one.
Oh God! No, I'm bullet check up because nah, give up. I go tell for you.
Remember to eat red man, please.
No, are you eating? I go tell for you.
Check
What?
to your place or to your hand.
I go tell for you.
Yo, hello.
Wagwan. Where are David? A piece of food me a link you for you now, you know. Cause I don't know me have some. Me left the pitney them a bowl and me left the pitney them a eat took a while. You see it?
You know, say, me there run pan the lane and you can't link me, you know.
Alright, me run a back road, me a forward. No move in a better cause I'm tell you say me frost out, you know.
No, man, me not move there, me G.
Alright, I say I would. Yo. That one.
Yeah.
They say everything, you know.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, though.
Everything alright, though.
I want everything good there. Some boy is going to run out of him like that. Actually, you want to.
Alright, I go look on them, boy.
Well, nah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Hey boy, Jota. What can I dance tell you I'm woman over your yard that do my youth? What you do over me yard? Yeah, what you do over me yard, my youth?
You chat too much. Yeah.
Boy, Jota, what you do over me yard?
This. Yeah, you that. Hey. Yo, man, not trouble your woman, you know. Fool. Oh,
Sweet sugar. That kind of.
shit. She dead?
Yo, she not move. She
Knock
not
out.
out. Knock out.
Daddy.
Are you
Bring her to
cause this
hospital,
time,
man. You cause what? Brother, me never
where
trouble
you
your
doing?
woman in a man. Bring
Yo.
her to hospital.
Yeah, me I said, big boy tell me say see over my yard.
I even tell them stupid
What
this
you
day,
mean that my
brother.
woman I go up and down?
Yo, just bring the girl to hospital, man. Better make sure you do what you do in a yard already, yeah?
Yes, Daddy. Yes, Daddy. Yes, Daddy.
Big boy,
Mommy?
where you have the plate eyes and the ground in the way? You want me fall over? And a matter of fact, where you doing in dirt?
Mommy,
Where you doing in dirt?
Mommy, I play.
Play in the dirt and you wash your clothes them? Eh? Get up! Get up! Get up from out of dirt. You can't buy soap, you can't buy soap. What is? You get dirty hat and go inside. Go in there, so. Come here, have someone to send you out. Turn up there, so boy. Look at your clothes. Look on your clothes, your clothes dirty. Eh? Look on your clothes, watch it. Look on your clothes. Look on your hand. And you're not even like beard. Eh?
Mommy, we can't
Let me ask you a question. Are you buy the soap them? You can't buy soap, you work. Eh? You reach age to go work. You're not even going to get soap. Watch out, the boy can't. Carry the stone them outside. But this a boy a cross. Hey, look here. Throw a stone them. Throw away the stone. And come to me right here, so. Me I send you a shop right now. You told her that. Tell this one down front there for me when I talk to you. Boy, have manners. When me talk to you, look on me and stop look down this one and set your face up. Right. See money here.
Ranjem, so come.
How you me a chat about your damn Ranjay? Come go and shop go buy flour carry come. Let me look about something give you. Go on and shop go buy the flour and make me spit a ground and it dry before you come back. Me a wait for you. Oh, you not go like when me go do you.
Sir, one pound of flour there. Good morning.
Good morning.
How your name? Brittany? Me not hear you.
Brittany.
Brittany. And where you come from? What first me I see you?
Come from down your road.
From down the road?
Me not too long come up here come live.
Yeah. My name Big Boy.
Nice to meet you.
Your hand then nice though.
Thanks.
You like icicle?
Yes.
You like icicle?
Yes, me like ice cream, but me no want none fry you.
You don't want no icicle from me?
No.
What make?
Come mother some finna take things from boy pitney.
You not everything you have to take from them, but you can take some things.
No, me no want nothing fry you. If me want it, me ask my mother feed.
So, we can go play Dolly House?
No, me don't know you.
We can get to know each other.
Me not play no dolly house with you. Me already have my dolly, me always play dolly house with.
You never play Dolly House with me yet.
Come me now want play no dolly house with you.
My Dolly House nice.
But my one bigger than yours.
Your Dolly House big?
Of course.
Oh, come in here, Dolly House.
Me no want you in there because you're too big and fat.
Oh, long me send big boy a shop. No me can't come back watching me. I love idle. When parents say no how to no gone, all about to no do all kind of things on them now. Here if you come back on time. We set to the wall, if you're going like you're a big man. You look like a stop the shop there.
Give me that $100 and take this one.
No, my $100 Chris and your one mash up and
Where are you now? Where are you so? I shop me send you a send me send you come fi come look woman. You still have up there something in your head. You hear me say you no reach man yet? You not ready for woman yet. You no man. You not reach man stage yet. Where floor me say no come by?
Mommy, see floor here, mommy.
See the flyer, mommy. So me fi take you from you because me I pick me and you and mama. Come on. Go ahead. Go ahead about your sir.
See
Come on, Taisha. Come on, Taisha. Little girl, how are you?
See money here.
I shot me come.
Shop your come. Come give me my money. Come on. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Oh, long me send you and shop on your out so the eye go about here look woman. Watch me are you? I go and fry the floor them and don't give you nothing and me too damn out order. Come on, take up. Take them up. Take them up. Take up it. Take it. Come back out so come take you. Come, take up it. Oh, child. Hurry up, take up it, man. You take too long. Go on inside.
Alright? Eh? Look for me, I talk to you. When I talk to you, look for me. You alright?
Yes,
Your belly full? Or you hungry?
I'm very full.
Alright, that's good. What I want you to do, I want you to stay over somebody yard till I come back, here. Me I got bank, go jar money. You want money?
No,
You want money?
no.
But your father want money. Look for me. You want money? Because see food you eat. You know say enough? You know say enough? Look for me, I talk to you. You know say enough, girl?
Yo, Rasta, what go on fire?
Yeah, you alright?
What go on?
Me there, man. Me there. You good?
Me, you know nothing.
This man is a laugh, so you know her? You know her?
Yeah, I know.
I make you stay.
You can't make your daughter come stay on 2 days with me. I am so.
Hello. I don't want my daughter pick up your profession here.
What do you mean by that? No, me can't allow her. She's a small child.
You look a bit and too prime for me here. Me no want nothing today. You know what I mean? Because when I look up at me, whenever you want it, so I know what me hold and know what I want it. Come on.
Alright, then one next time.
No, next time. You good though.
Yeah, man, me there, try hold it.
You have to go look, walk. Step over. I don't want you follow them girls up on the road, you know. Where I tap and I tell if you want nothing to buy and then I nothing to sell. Look for me. You hear me? Yeah. Alright. Where we are going now? We are going by so what's you want straight candy? You can't say candy till I come back? Or you want to come on the road? You want to come on the road or you want straight candy? What you want to do? You want straight candy? Alright, come straight candy. Eh? Hello! Are you run things or me run things? Who you want to stay with? But I am telling to you, say, look, lady, it's not to stay with baby. What me say?
Look at enough still with baby.
All right. Candy! Candy!
Oi! Me come in. Give me a minute there. Me a come. Big boy. Big boy. Big boy. Somebody a call me outside. Come and look on the thing when me have on the fire. Get up. You're too lazy. Me a pick you. Give me your phone. Get up. Me have something on the fire. Me a make it burn up. Make sure say no burn up and don't eat none. Lazy. Are you me a look out sitting figure when mommy me dey find here. Make it burn up and you see what me do with you when me come back. Me am none of you see.
So me is the one you know.
Come in.
Sorry if I interrupt you. You know what I mean? See me do a year, yeah. A year do you know? Me try my best with a year. But me catch you off of YouTube though. Take time with the board.
Can you come it yourself?
Yeah man, that's what me deal with man.
Look nice man.
Ah, we all going now. Me have to go down a bank. So me I beg you a favor, just get look at your iPad and look pick me up for me. Cause me can't come to the bank you know. And down there, kinda busy and back.
How long you gonna stay for?
Me not tell long, money transaction, anything go on, me can't go change your side speed.
Alright.
Yeah man, so stay. Look here. I don't want you give her no what. What enough give her? No trouble. What enough you do? What enough you candy no? No trouble, right? You want to give her trouble? Or you want to come? You want to come? You have to stay with Candy till I come back. Alright, later. Bye. You know say bye?
Bye.
Later, go on inside.
I see a teacher if you say bye.
Yeah man.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Alright.
So, I said, you want to follow your daddy? I'll say bye. Say bye. Say bye, daddy.
Bye, Daddy.
Right, good girl. Come on. Let's go inside.
Yeah, this is Shati, aka Likomis. Anywhere you see this, jump yes and subscribe. No. As you see this, hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification.
Abad them up.
Please.
Abad them up.
No, me not bad them up. Me I ask you, please subscribe.
Yo, gang say yeah, so not mind what you say, but please do subscribe. It's important.
Please
it's very
subscribe.
relevant. And thank you so much for watching.
Sit down right here.
I want one.
So, come here.
Mama choc.
Say thank you.
Thank you. Mama choc too.
Thank you, man. Chips.
Mama chips.
But keep it when you're hungry. You eat it. And some juice. Make it stay right beside it. Here. Stay beside it. Here. Play big white up. Here you go. Be a good girl. Sit up.
Yeah.
Alright. Look at nice girl. Alright. Play big white up. Alright. Soon come back here. Baby said, soon come and don't go outside. You hear me? Alright. Now what's the name so? Jesus Christ. Why? Turn off the stove. Where you going up the floor them so far? No, come on. I trouble you want to put me in and put some bun down in place. Smell, I mean, stay weird and smell how it place stink. Watch out. This fry, and y'all and me to give me. You're too craving. That no look bad. You must see one carbine in that. You got to go run. Come out of the kitchen. Come on, go so. And if you pick up the dirty piece of my finger and run, you will see. You feel learn to cook and call you to boy you one woman. Look how you do it, flour. Watch here. Watch here. Somebody can eat this. You're nasty. Look, that if you want to wash out the frying pan, then I can eat.
Come on. Ow. Ow. Daar kan de hoos. Mijn restelijke dong. Om de hoos. Hallo, mijn restelijke dong naar mijn hoos.
What no fire?
You know, so it's smell with data. We can't talk business in front of look at data. So what much you say? How much you look at?
Much have?
Me know so don't so you sell the deal don't say no.
You know, some me mean business, man. Anything you have, man. Time hard, you know.
1, 2, 3. Me owe you 200 dollars. Me no want give me 5 minutes out of it.
Alright, come on, no problem.
No, you can't want to bump on the road. Mama, go. You have to try to spoil my image, you know. Hear what you do, man. Walk place, we go back Greenfield Hotel. Walk place, so. Me soon come. Me go on, me. People are watch me, yeah? People are watch me. People are watch me. Go on, no. Move up, no more, start.
Why?
Guess what? Redman wake up and he broke one figure in our house.
Broke who?
One figure.
Wait till daddy come in. You must get some lick from daddy.
Then there.
Can you help me? Yep. Yep. Yeah.
You craving so.
I'm not clever.
I craving.
When you're hungry, you eat. You almost tie your teeth. One time daddy have fried chicken, you put in your pocket.
But look how much time right in your bowl and you eat it.
Right in the name, Palmer?
Bowl and you eat it.
There's nothing wrong with my name.
I see you craving.
I'm if you
I say
eat
even
it.
see yes and even see it.
I'm if you eat it.
You?
You say you're black. You're black like daddy. Sometimes I wonder if daddy brought black polish.
Remember you adopted, yeah? So remember daddy black? Your mother don't brown. So I don't know where you come from.
Daddy something weak. And that's how I get my color.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm black.
My mother used to give him born, yes. As
You
my
never
mother
asked
said.
that. Never asked you.
We know say daddy at work.
I feel your business that I craving, you're craving. It work.
Give me my chuck. Give me my chuck. Give me my chuck. Here with my chuck. Think I like when you think I like one time you did have your chips, you never want to give me none. Little girl, don't come at me here, come take up me truck.
Big boy, take my truck from you. You're so old, Tada.
What's my next truck then? What's my next truck?
Big boy, come to me.
Give me.
Give me the truck. Give me them.
No, mommy.
Boy, give me the truck.
Mommy, no.
Give up.
Mommy, I think.
Give me the truck.
Mommy, no.
Boy, nah, nothing. Better give me the truck.
Mommy, me not let her.
Put it down. Put it down. If she can't play the, you not play the neither.
Mommy.
Put down the truck.
Mommy, no. Mommy.
Put down the truck. Put it down. You know no manners. Me notice.
Little girl, go on.
Put it down. Put it down. Put down the truck. Give me it. Think of your papa. Who you to? Go sit down one side. Here. One back up play with the truck until your daddy comes for you. One back in I city. Oh, Tada.
You walk like a tail, so energy nice something now. We're not going too far, come here. Let's go, Pastor. Find a bush more you can lean over upon. Just find a bush you can lean over upon. No, that's too exposed. That's too exposed. Go go further. One cutie one. One cutie one. Walk it, walk it, walk it. Left that hole alone. Left that alone. One cutie one. They make down to the boat this already. One cute. You don't feel courage. That's so good. Right there.
I bet say for your big old ugly friend Chucky, you're lending the truck. Eh? Why you don't want to lend the little girl?
Mommy, last time me having chips, me take me beg him some money, not give me none, mommy. Me.
What? If a cutie, you lend her the truck. But you want the size where you want to look pan. You can't lend her the truck. Go outside. I'm going to break up the yard. What are
Bro, man, tell daddy say, I you broke figure and me I come go to my mother because my daddy so must go up there for some money and daddy call her about no. So how you can go to him?
So daddy really believe the old man?
Yes, him believe him. Daddy I call her no, so get up.
Go on with your mother. I'm
Hey.
sure no man here they go.
Wake up.
I mean no no time. All right, cousin. Yes, daddy.
Where was when the figure eight them broke off my place?
You know, yeah, daddy. What else is there?
Do you know that we don't have enough money to buy over those figure eight?
Daddy, we not understand.
Daddy, we don't understand. You know that I'm going to take you out of your lunch money every day.
Why my lunch money, daddy, and a red man boss it, daddy?
Is it you
Daddy,
boss?
please, no, daddy.
You boss it, the figure eight them.
No, daddy.
Eh?
I don't mean, daddy.
Check not yourself, boy. Lean up off my boy. I talk to you, man. Me not feel spend too much money in a yard all the time. Come back here to me, boy. Same people I see, man.
Yes. Give me the boy. Yes. Yes, boy. Yes.
Are you machine or maybe get licked? Come on, I got something to you. Well, you don't think I get the farm to come in the yard. You just appear up in the yard. Look how me talk, how me daddy talk on you, brown.
But tell me, say, this been on belly here. Wait till me come.
Auntie.
Machine, you figure me until I buy me.
You mash up your cocoa till I for me. Just see a bigger one on me and look like one else until I pump I want me get lick.
Yo. Come on, come on, mother.
One more.
You can't get me, no.
No, you're not.
Come, you can't get me, no.
No, you're not. Come.
Yeah. Somebody
Nah,
in the yard.
Chucky, come on, Chucky. You know,
Big
come.
like how it is, left here, yeah?
My woman come
I
back.
ain't farmer.
So get big like how it is, yeah?
I ain't farmer.
Yeah, no go on, but tell mommy.
I ain't farmer. Dead. Let it go.
You and fear. You dead too much time to. You not bury.
Ah, but don't play with that. I'm a success.
Where you go next? Yo. Okay, go on here, what? What on it?
Today, I saw one girl, dog. Girl, nice. Tell me, say I live around there, so one dark girl.
One of my nigga. But sister, he come from country.
The bully boy.
Yeah, he see one of bully you.
My boss, when I in there, my boss in here, watch.
You go around there.
Me no business, but come on.
I'll go look. We have here. Go to apartment. Realize what? What is what? Back.
Yes, Lexi. And I hope you behave yourself. I don't have no time right now for talk, no long talk. Love you later. Love you. Alright then, here? Alright. I wonder where big boy there. I'm gonna look out yourself this year. Don't put your shoes in the way, you will fall. Oh, me not see big boy. By the way, so big boy never sweep up the yard. I have to show down your ear. Alright. You're a big man. Me know say you're a big man before time. Anywhere you're there, me have to find you. You see you big boy? Wait till when me catch you. You know, I can go for that little girl because I don't want to get in a trouble here. Come on.
Huh?
Yeah, I go somewhere right now, baby. Come. Come. Hey, daddy buy this a nice shoes for your mommy.
And mommy.
And your mommy buy her so pretty. You have to go give me a wear after. Come on, we have go somewhere. Come. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's sign our. Come on.
Alright? Come on. Brown man,
Eh?
you see big boy?
You have to pay me to talk with them there, you know. You have to pay me.
What do you mean me have to pay? How much money you want? A matter of fact, me not no money. Me have some flour fry over me yard. Me can give you two when me come back. Which part you gone?
Then gone over so. What come and go play gun war? They no care me, I'm telling you this tomorrow come.
Show me which part me for walk.
No, I walk, it's a kind of dog will bite you.
Alright.
They walk around there so.
Alright, thanks. Like that straight. Come.
You know normal, you know? If I have 3 more business, we do the next 5 minutes more. You can't mind 5 minutes more?
When you're ready, man, of course. You know you can't hold me.
Oi, fire! Hold it. Nobody turn back. Come that way, yeah. Come that way, yeah. Come here. Me not understand you. Me don't know so one bank there around here, so I wish bank around here. I suppose I NCB there around here, so. Oh, you tell me say a bank here they go. I bank this. I wish bank there around here, so. Nova Scotia or NCB.
Kaka years. Come so look up with me. A Erie Bank, you never ask bank me I go. Me say me got Erie Bank and come back.
Me and your friend. You leave your child with me. Me no have to ask where they go. You should have tell me where they go. Then if me name come, they look for big boy. Me won't buck up on your own here, so come. I go in the road, make your bounce, so come back
Yeah,
right
don't
here.
take off here. Put on your ears, baby. Yeah. Kaka years. Mama, when I say I'm going to bank, you never ask me which bank. I was going to Erie Bank.
They know me if you know that. How me I gonna know that?
If you know, you have to take care, baby. You alright, baby? Take care of your ears now. Take out your hand. Take out your hand. You good? You alright? She get something to eat?
No.
Come, mine fall down. Come back right here, so. You know what? And my son, me I look for.
Me not see him.
Me I look for me picnic. So you see, true because you no go at the right bank where meetings say when they go. Take your picnic.
Alright,
Me a go look for me picnic.
Later.
And me can't give you big boy truck cause me no want him tear down the place down there.
Alright.
I wait till I hold him, I go and give him a horse. Me then go down.
Over something, we hear them make so nice one night time. Go look at over so they gone.
You know, just tell me say you don't know which part
No,
in
me
there.
hear the night. Them not play gun war, so over that hill they gone.
So me if you go over hill.
Yes. I run so they gone, I run too.
They gone around there.
They run so yeah.
You see?
Yeah, they gone.
You just see your name, no.
Me up there sir, here with bank and
And chicken they trick me?
No, no.
Alright, me I go walk.
Thank you. Later my money come give you.
Love Yeri Bank. You're full and then Yeri Bank there.
Yeah man, over there gone candy, yeah. Me hear where them a go so. And a poi. We there go and knock something say. Caucasian me attack here. You alright? Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Go on. Cutie. Thank you, my girl. I will check you. I'll check you later, girl. Come on, take your face now. You're such a nice little girl. You alright? You tired?
Yeah.
Daddy carry then. What's a girl heavy? You alright? Alright, you get no food? Where you get feed? Not Tyler get feed? Where do you want some feed? Where you want feed?
A banana chip.
You want banana chips? Oh, Daddy go get the banana chips, alright? Alright. Candy gonna look for his son. He gonna look for big boy. Yeah, he gonna buy ill over the Candy are gonna wave to him. Wave to Candy. Call him.
Bye.
Hello. Wait. Come here.
Yo, don't pass me get.
Oh no.
Happy your daughter.
Man in the move. Yeah, remember me bust head round this up. We bust head.
Nice.
Man, give me a chat.
I know bad man, I feel me there for the pan nine.
What you say?
Come take up here. Come take up the hat. Big boy, take you up. Take up the hat. Wait till I hold him. Big boy, come to me.
Me nah come, you gonna beat me.
Yeah, okay, you're a big man now. You tell me, say you not come. Me go see where you go sleep tonight. You not come in my house. You not plan to come in there. Call your poofa.
Me good.
Yes, watch me out now. Me not run you down, you know. You see you? Alright. Let me see how far you can run go tonight. How will you sleep tonight?
I'm tired. You know how come to know.
That's next.
You know some thief want to go out of daddy pocket. Got you.
Yo, look safe, man.
No, me buy scissors. Go on look. Go on look. Go on look. Go on look. Sir! Sir! 220. Ah. Wait, boy, run!
We can catch you.
Mommy.
Eh?
Mommy.
How far you think you want that run go? Where? Give me this. Where you this? Where you get money from? Hmm? Where you get money? Get up. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at?
Yo, come on. Alright, come here, man. Come here, man. Where, how are you? Stand up here, some man, I'll chat to you. Daddy, I want daddy. Daddy, I want more. You see, you look boy, you're informer in my youth. Where you go to him and I tell the boy you see in a room with cheese and very and blah blah. You see you look mouth, you see you look mouth. I see you, me no raise up no informer, you know. So so me see you with this, when I want to see you with this boy, you know, boy. Daddy, you really like your mommy born again?
Tell me, mother.
Tell him, boy, you see your mouth, I can put you in a trouble. You know me, I tell you, box in your face, you know. That me I tell you, you know. Farmer like you. I say you tell up yourself, man. Tell up yourself, me a chat to you, man. Me no raise no informer. Me no want to see a part with that informer boy. I'm a friend that fella. Your friend that means say you're informer to them. But that you cheat for mommy now. Go and see your big boy not tell lie. Mommy, come, mommy. Yawa, Chucky, Yawa. Who is you? You have to understand, I'm friend daddy. You can't do that to me and see you. So if your friend are dead, you're dead then? Yeah, we're good dead together. Mommy, he box me, mommy. Look, boy, you're in farmer.
Where box me, son?
I'm going to go tell people, boy, in boxing with him, boxing 5 times. Yo, look, boy, you know say you can't chat too much, my youth. You're standing in the yard, man. Stand up right now, man. I understand you know where me at chat, man. Alright. A boy, you're in farmer, you know. A boy, you're in farmer.
You box me, son? You really box me, son?
Man, you're responsible more than this, you know. Your son, you see your son?
One to me, son. One to me, son.
If you say I idiot pitney them.
Me say if you box me, son.
I'm sure box him for true.
And that, box him. Box him and see me no make the police then lock you up. See him they run good down there, so go and go box him. And through your box him make him kick you.
He might go end up get a box, you know. Yeah, bet.
And that, go and go box him.
Take away I do, yeah.
Box him.
Alright.
And see if me no lock you. And who you? Run in there, come.
We got him here.